Hi, this is Todd Baker, your certified mortgage planner, and as part of getting a home loan, you're going to be required to have home insurance. And just as a side note, even if you pay your house off, you definitely want to insure a large asset like that. So you're always going to want to have homeowners insurance. What homeowner insurance covers is perils and accidents, basically. So if there's a fire, if there's theft, the one that we get hit with all the time in North Texas is hail damage that causes a roof to be replaced. That's been I know just about everyone I know that's been in a house for 10 years have had to replace at least one roof due to hail damage. So that's not uncommon, and you want to have insurance for that. So the way it works is when you get your home, when you get a house under contract, the insurance rate and the insurance policy is going to be determined by your credit score and by the location of the house, and there's a whole formula they have. And what I could tell you is that homeowners insurance, the annual rates, it is something, number one, is something you could shop for, but number two, they could have a wide range for the same policy types or for similar coverages. So the large insurance companies, and I won't name them, we all know who they are. It's not that they won't pay your claim and give you good customer service, but the ones that advertise on TV have way higher rates. And the reason is because they advertise on TV. It's not just TV, it's TV, radio, internet. They have this massive advertising presence and budget, and it's a very, very competitive industry. So they tend to have higher rates. Also, the insurance agents that sell them, when you call, they make a good amount of money the first year. They make a very small for a continuing policy. So most of their money is made that first year. So they tend to try to maximize the policy you pay. So you need to get with a great insurance professional. What we do is I have a really good local insurance agent that works with state-based insurance companies that have wonderful policy. They understand the state of Texas. They've been here many, many years, in some cases over 100 years. So they're well-capitalized companies that they insure for foundation leakage and things we specifically deal with here in Texas, but they don't advertise heavily, so their rates tend to be better. So what I usually do when you get a contract with me, I'm going to send you a contact to call, and then of course you could shop around to get that insurance. But that's what it's for. It's to cover theft, fire, wind, hail, and also accidents. Sometimes you'll see somebody comes over and there's a slip and fall, and the next thing you know, you have a friend, or someone that came to visit your house was injured, and there's a potential injury claim, and your insurance will cover that. So that's why it's so important to have. And like I said, it is important to shop around. One last note is really understanding the coverages too. Is I really encourage my clients to read the declaration page and read the proposed coverages and understand what they are. Like all insurance will have a deductible that you have to pay. 1% is sort of standard. Understand how that works. So like this is the part that I'm going to have to cover in case something happens. So that's how it works. You want to educate yourself. You want to shop around, and you definitely have to have it. If you have any questions, please feel comfortable contacting me, and I hope you have a wonderful day.